In this lecture, we will initialize Panda 3D. First, we need to track down the Panda 3D folder on our computer. This should be on your local disk's main hard drive. For me, that is the C drive. The folder will look like this. The next step is to go inside of the folder by double-clicking on it and create a new folder. Let's name the folder My Stuff. Then we will open up PyCharm and save our Python file to our My Stuff folder that we just created. Time to write some code in the Python file. Up at the top of our code, we will import showbase by typing from direct.showbase.showbase import showbase. Showbase is the base class for showing the Panda 3D window. We will create a class named example that extends the showbase class. Inside of this class, we will define an init method that takes in one parameter, self. You might recognize this as the special init function that Python supports for classes, which we learned about back in the object-oriented programming section. Inside of this function, we will reference showbase and then call init self on it. Then we need an app variable set equal to a call to our example function. Then we will call app.run. Awesome, that is the code that we need to initialize our Panda 3D program. Then we will open up a command line program on our computer. For Windows, that would be the command prompt program. For Mac, it would be the terminal program. We need to navigate to the C drive in the terminal. For me, this means using cd ... twice to move back 2 folders. Note the file path on the left-hand side of the terminal. The next step is to select our My Stuff folder and copy the path to it. We will use the cd command and then paste in the path that we just copied. Then we will hit enter to run the command. We just changed directories to the My Stuff folder. To run the program, we will type ppython example.py and then click enter. We should see the Panda 3D window appear. Great work, you just learned how to initialize the Panda 3D game engine. In the next lecture, we will learn how to load a 3D environment into the Panda 3D game engine.